अस्सलाम वालेकुम। आज के लेक्चर 8 हमारे पास स्टोरी ऑफ फेथफुल फ्रेंड। A hunter had a beautiful hound that always went hunting with him. The faithful dog was a fast friend of Hunter's only son, who loved to play with the dog. The master also loved the hound for its friendship with his young son, who was only 10 years old. The master of the house had no one else in the house. One day, the hunter went out hunting but forgot to take the hound with him. His son was still asleep in his bed. As he reached the edge of the forest, he found that he had forgotten to bring the hound with him. He decided to go back and bring the hound. He came home but was afraid to see his hound all blood-stained standing at the gate. The hunter thought that the hound had harmed his son. He got very upset and tensed and chained it. He quickly walked into the house and looked high and low for his son. Just then he saw his son coming out of his room. The boy told his father that a wolf had come into the house and was about to kill him. When the hound pounced upon it and tore into pieces, the hunter began to cry and rushed back to the gate and took the hound to a vet. The hunter loved the hound as his most loyal friend. Moral: haste makes waste.